Here we go, walk around. Down at Downderry. Mr. Magpie over there. My head's still not in a good place. Sort of there. I'm glimpsing myself from time to time. I think I know what it all is, what it's all about. Yeah. No, I know what I'll do. Yeah. Let's see if we can do this, eh? Right, foot on the brake. Press power. Power! Ready? Yeah, I have. Foot on the brake. Alright. Yes. So just south, that's west, that way. Yeah, okay. There we go, ready. Right. Just wanted to do this because you can see the colour. See the colour? Alright. We'll do it on this side. Ready? Ready? Oh, can I do it from this one? Yeah, of course I can. Let's pull this one too. There's the puddle light down there. Sort of. Well, it does actually, I think. Yeah, sort of. I think I noticed it last night. I'll take her out tonight. I wish these had... Yeah, I know what they're for. Of course I do, but they haven't got window symbols on them. Anyway, we'll do it on this one. Ready? Ready? Be quiet, just listen and watch. I love the colour in the mirror. There's a nice tint. It's not just the passenger door that does it. This one too. Ready? Oh, did you see that? Seal it. Brilliant. Brilliant. Let's just continue from here. I'll turn the power off. Yeah. She's a step down. Just look, she's a step down. Yeah. Did you see that? Yeah, you did, didn't you? Yeah, of course you did. Yeah. be able to see with this lens. The beach. Yeah. Got the fogs. She's not an F Sport, but she's an F Sport design. Something like that. I'm fed up with going that way around here. There's your F Sport badge. She's not clear, so that's why. Blah blah blah. Yeah, anyway. And this is for aerodynamics, apparently. So they say. Batman. You can see that? Yeah, doesn't it? Posh. Yeah, anyway, there we go.